legs. Now we create a counterbalance exercise. So we're gonna move our hips. Like right hip will go back, left hip will go forward. But right shoulder will go forward, in this case left shoulder will go back. So inside your spine, you want to feel a sense of resistance. Stay more straighter than it. Yes, inside your spine, sense of resistance. Here, and now get back to neutral and turn. Warm. Keep your shoulders with your hands so they don't move. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So already in this moment, your skirt should have a lot of movement already. 3, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha. So what we want here to have a skirt moving already as much as possible, but what we don't want, shoulders to move. So shoulders move opposite from the hips. Therefore, they look like they straight, but inside they're working. So let's go in cha-cha rhythm. 2, 3, cha, 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 and a 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 and a 2, 3, cha, cha. That's great. Keep going. 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Very good. Now do the same, and you can bend knee. So settling the hip. Now as the knee bent, it allow our hip to go a little bit more further back. So you see the creases on my body, and we continue. 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, all the way. Cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. To see more evident difference, you can stay with the arms like this. Go. 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Can do a little bit more. Go. 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Very good. Now side to side. So open the legs, release hips. So we always have to start from the counter body twist. So we stay, for example, I stay right now, very flat position, shoulders and hips same line. Now I'm gonna rotate my left thigh and hip all the way back. My shoulders stay here. This is how I start. Now from here, I'm releasing hip, which creates a pendulum, and then I rotate. So rotation is number one action for cha-cha would be. Now from here, with my shoulders, I try not to have my arm here, but kind of resist the opposite. 2, and 3, and cha, 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 and 2, and 3. And as you do it, observe how beautiful is this part untouched and how much skirt flying you create. Cha, 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 and 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. Next one, time step. So for time step, again, we're going to start in the twisting position. And now our left standing leg will now add a little bit more power to close this leg faster with the shoulder being opposite. 2, and now we do it the same on other leg. 3, and now we're going side, chasse to the side. So this leg will really twist all the way back. Shoulders will maintain straight. Cha, as much as possible. So here your body has to have a much. Don't release hip yet. Hip releasing later. First we rotate, then you release hip, then it drops slightly, as a pen. Then you can use now this leg. Cha, and as fast as possible. 1, here with a strong body movement. And 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. Counter body movement. 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. Keep going. 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. Excellent. 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. Let's do now forward and back. The same ideas. So for example, if I want to go forward from this position, so let's stay flat, for example. Beautiful spine, but posture already very nice here. Now, what we start with? We always start with rotating our standing leg and hip, but in opposition with our upper body. So that creates a force which will push ourselves forward. So we never just simply drifting forward. We rotate to move forward. And cha. Now from here, when you release hip, if you rotate this leg has more easy chance to come in. Cha. So in this case, it looks like our hips and shoulders slightly flat because hips closed. And now open your left leg as much as possible back. Keep shoulders parallel to the wall. 1. Very good. And next one. 2, check. And 3. Every backward walk should always land flat. And then you open your hip with opposition to the shoulders. Ah, cha. You can, as you start opening this hip, shoulders resist. Cha, keep this position. And from here, your right leg will rotate a lot to land you in a close position 1, like you do a fan. And here we're going to do a little bit faster. We're going to have and 2, change. 3, now rotate hip, shoulders opposite. Cha, cha, you have to close hip here. 1, and 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, and 2, and 3. Make sure your upper body stay absolutely quiet and beautiful as your hips and legs are rotating. Okay, next one, hip to chasse. We have a 2 flat and open hip, shoulders resist. 3, as we transfer, we keep rotating that back leg, shoulders resist. Hip twist, cha. So try to have your arms here, not here, here. Now here, our hip gonna turn right as much as possible, shoulders resist, cha. And now from here, use this leg to get out from that position. 1, so don't release hip too soon. Stay on the high hip, rotate. And then later on count and release hip. Now run the chasse, the same idea. 2 and 3, hip going back, shoulders stay parallel. Cha, close leg, cha. So you have to look, so hips looking, my hips looking this wall, my shoulders parallel to here. Now I can use my right leg to take me out of it with a beautiful posture. Don't come in inside. And 2 and 3, cha, 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 and 2 and 3, cha, cha, cha. Once you feel counterbalance, you can later add things. Faster leg, a little bit chest, a little bit more compression. Okay, let's go through our choreography using the same ideas. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, sit 1, 1. Keep your shoulders square. 2, 3. Now keep your shoulders really, really square and use your hips only. Cha, cha, cha. Very good. We're going back 2, hip back, shoulder square. 30, cha, cha, cha. And